friends, this is Divyankita and today I am going to show you how to make a very healthy and tasty salad. So, during this pandemic situation, we all need to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables because they boost our immune system and help us to fight against diseases. So, the ingredients needed for making this salad are a cucumber, a carrot, a radish, some slices of lemon, a big sized tomato, a medium sized onion, some sprouts because they are rich in protein and are neat for growing children, some vegetables which I have cut in different sizes. For garnishing, I am using coriander leaves, green chilies and mint leaves, curd or dahi, and for adding extra taste to this salad, I am using spices like chili flakes, chaat masala, dahi masala, black pepper, black salt and salt as per taste. Now I am adding some curd. So my tasty salad is ready and you can see how good it is looking. Let me taste it. It is very tasty. You also try, friends. You will never forget its taste. So stay away from junk foods and eat healthy salads. Thank you.